Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Meliana, and I want to explain about the theoretical concept of discourse and discourse analysis. Okay, for the first, I want to explain about what is a theoretical concept. Okay, for the definition is this is like abstract idea in concept in the mind of scholar like branch of study, example like author, expert, and researcher, and then that defines as term in academic in this discipline. The theoretical concept of discourse and discourse analysis is refers to abstract ideas concept in the mind of scholar, like example like author, expert, and research. The concept of discourse. Discourse is a refers to approach commonly used to examine language in the use of this social context. And then the concept of discourse analysis by using a two search like virtual search and individual search. And then virtual search is derived from a variety of online search on the internet. And then two is individual search. This is so proposed by scholars in language. Some definition of discourse widely used in some dictionary, like do virtual search say about discourse. This is from virtual search. For example, like Cambridge Online Dictionary, and this is about to communication in speech or writing. And then the next is dictionary.com, and this is denotes communication of thought by words, like talk and conversation. And then there is Oxford Online Dictionary. This is writing or like spoken communication. And then is freedictionary.com. This is like verbal expression in speech or writing. And then the last is Merriam-Webster.com. This is like a verbal exchange of ideas, especially about conversation. Historical perspective, the word discourse is derived from Latin is discourses, and which means about conversation and speech. Some individual search or linguistic say about discourse. This definition from Edmondson from 1981 say that discourse is about a structural event manifest in linguistic behavior. And then the next is Carlson 1983 say that about discourse is about a stretch of continuous utterance or a sequence of individual sentence. They say like that. Definition was before is like we can identify three concept which we can be used to formulate another definition that represent component mutually. And then there is three, like one is a linguistic process. This is about communication, linguistic behavior, and then language use. And then two is a linguistic product. This is about speech, writing, and then text, and then sentence. And then 3 is linguistic quality. This is about grammatical next material is the concept of discourse analysis. And then this is about when we understand the concept discourse. Discourse is about critical cornerstone to be able to understand the concept discourse analysis. And then there is a virtual search say about discourse analysis. This is say that about to understanding on discourse analysis from virtual search is from wikipedia.com. This is say that about discourse analysis is about general term from for a number approaches to analyze writing, and then analyze writing, vocal or sight language use, or any significant semiotic event. From individual search or linguistics say about discourse is like from definition from Stubbs 1981. Discourse say that about discourse analysis is to refer to the attempt to study the organization of language above the sentence. And then McCarthy said that 2002 they said that about discourse analysis is the analysis describes the interrelationship and between language and its language and its context. And then there are 4 important components that can be used as foundation for understanding the concept of discourse analysis. Analysis in easier way. There are 4. One is linguistic analysis. This is linguistic analysis is about to analyze, to opportunity to study and to describe, and then to identify. And then the next is linguistic process. This is about language use and then the organization of language. And then the next is linguistic product. This is about writing text or and then what how we spoken interaction, and then how we do interpretation of text and talks and then how to language form, and then about language function. And then the last is linguistic quality. This is so about this is so significant, and then this is so meaningful about the definition discourse analysis. This is so attempts to analyze the organization of the language used in terms and then of the writing text and spoken interaction to identify significant language forms and function. And then discourse analysis is specifically deals with examining how to native English speakers and use how to native speaker use English to communicate in real and then natural concept like that. This is so how to native speaker to use to use English to communicate communicate like that. And then this is a student studying discourse analysis. This is they must be undertake the analysis of discourse. And then about the definition discourse analysis, according to Webster online dictionary, say that analysis is a careful study of something to learn about its parts, what they do, and how they are related to each other. What can be expected from doing discourse analysis? There are four to expecting able to encourage the students. One is to examine thematic links in writing, text, or spoken interaction. And then the next is to analyze. This is to analyze structure and texture in writing text or in spoken interaction. And then is three is discuss whether the discourse can be classified as belonging to a particular tertiary register. And then the last is to analyze. This is to analyze discourse in relation to assumption about the relationship between speaker or writer and the receipt of message. Okay, about the material theoretical concept of discourse and discourse analysis. This is explain about the concept of discourse and then the concept of discourse analysis. And then thank you very much for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.